Once upon a time, there were two friends, Mon and John. They both had a dream to start their own business. At first, they opened a small shop together. They worked hard every day, trusted each other, and shared their ideas. Slowly, their business started to grow. But soon, problems came. There was big competition, money issues, and stress. John thought of closing the shop, but Mon said, "No, we should not give up. If we stay honest, work hard, and plan better, we will succeed." Together, they followed some golden rules for success. Trust each other. A strong partnership is built on honesty. Work hard and be patient. Success takes time. Plan before action. Good planning saves money and energy. Respect customers. Happy customers bring more business. Learn from mistakes. Every failure is a lesson. Save and reinvest. Don't waste profit. Invest it back in the business. By following these rules, Mon and John made their shop successful. At the end, they celebrated together, not just as partners but as true friends for life.